One of the first questions people often ask when thinking about solar is, how many panels do I need? And the answer is, there isn't a magic number. The right system for your house depends on much more than how many panels you can fit on your roof. And in this video, we're going to go through what really matters. The first thing to think about isn't your roof, it's your electricity use. For instance, a retired couple living in a bungalow is likely to use a different amount of electricity compared to a family of 4 with an EV and a heat pump. The more electricity you use during the day, the more you could benefit from having a solar system installed. It's also worth considering the future. Will you be adding an EV, a heat pump, air conditioning, extending your family, or even working from home? It's just as important to design the system for 5 years' time as to where you are now.
How come new builds only have a few panels on them?
This is a question I get asked a lot. Why do new build homes have 3 or 4 panels on them? And the answer is that many developers, they fit the minimum system needed to meet the energy requirements of that home, not necessarily what the new occupants are going to need. If you do live in a new build home with a small array, it might be worth checking to see if you can add more panels for the future. So if you've got plenty of roof space, should you fill it with panels? In many cases, yes. If you're already paying for installation and scaffolding, it can be beneficial to fill the roof space, especially if you're thinking about adding heat pumps or EVs in the future. That said, every roof is different, and things like shading, condition, orientation, and of course your budget need to be taken into consideration. Not every roof is ideal for solar, but that doesn't necessarily mean that solar is off the table for you. If you've got some outdoor space, then a ground mounting system could be perfect for you. They can often be designed at the right direction and orientation and are also easy for servicing and cleaning. An option for flat roofs is a ballasted system. These are weighted systems and are a great alternative to drilling through your roof. You could also consider solar carports as well. They're becoming very popular, especially with EV owners. So how do you work out how many panels you actually need? A good installer will look at how much electricity you use each year, what direction your roof faces, whether there's any shading, how much roof space you have, and whether you're planning on having an EV, battery, or heat pump in the future. It's about designing a system around your lifestyle, not just how many panels you can fit on your roof. So how many panels do I really need? And the answer is, it depends. There is no one-size-fits-all solution for solar, and a well-designed system is far more important than smacking as many panels as you can on the roof. If you've got a question about solar that you'd like to have answered, then please don't forget to leave us a comment below and we'll try and do a video on it, I guess.